Hey, Ted here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about 3 benefits of broad match keywords. And I know broad match keywords are often considered a dirty word, and really advertisers have fought against implementing them, claiming that you get a lot of bad quality queries, wasted ad spend, and what have you. But the truth is that broad match keywords have come a long way in the last few years, and there are, as I say, 3 kind of key benefits in using those. So the first one, not surprisingly, is a way that Google is going to further put pressure on advertisers to use broad match. And that is when we start getting ads for AI search results, you are not going to qualify for those auctions unless you, in fact, do use broad match keywords. So it's not necessarily a nice thing, not what we want to hear from Google, but unfortunately, that is the truth in the situation. So as we move forward through 2025 and we do start to see ads for AI overviews and AI mode, that will be the only way to get into those auctions. Okay, so that aside, there are 2 other benefits. The second one being simply that if you're trying to grow or scale a campaign quickly, broad match is going to be the way to do it. With phrase and exact match, the process is just going to be much more slow. So if you want what I'd say explosive growth or fast track growth or scaling within your campaign account, broad match is the way to do it. It's going to uncover many more search queries and very quickly ramp up performance. The third thing is a little bit along those lines, but it's more specific than that, and that is that broad match is the only match type when used in combination with smart bidding that uses additional signals to improve relevance and intent and expansions. And that's just covered up a little bit here by me, but it says so right here. So basically what that means is that exact match and phrase match keywords do not utilize many of those signals, and those are like kind of user signals when deciding what to bid on particular queries. So that is a huge advantage for broad match keywords. And in fact, we have seen quite a bit over the last, I'd say, 12 months or so, where the query quality actually improves when you switch to broad. So it tends to be that that's not an instantaneous thing, but you will often see after switching to broad within a few weeks that the bad or relevant queries start to clear out almost magically. Now, there have to be a few things true for that to happen. The big one being that you have to have a decent volume of conversions in the campaign. And then obviously having that sustained for some period of time, at least weeks and better to be months. But we found that, switching a lot of what I'd say successful campaigns over to broad match, they rarely lose performance and in fact do perform better over time. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time.